Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best camera drones to buy in 2026, this video is for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best drones of 2026 based on camera quality, flight time, smart features, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Drone with EIS 4K camera under 249 grams. This drone features a 4K camera with EIS stabilization, built-in GPS, and a 5-inch screen directly on the controller. It offers up to 70 minutes of total flight time and weighs under 249 grams, making it registration-friendly in many regions. This drone is designed for beginners and casual users. The built-in screen removes the need for a smartphone, and GPS safety features make flying easy and stress-free. Pros: 4K camera with EIS stabilization, built-in screen on the controller, very long 70-minute flight time, lightweight and beginner-friendly. Cons: EIS is not as smooth as a 3-axis gimbal, not suitable for professional filmmaking. A great beginner drone with excellent flight time and simple controls. Number 2. Cyaxzolp 8K camera drone with 3-axis gimbal. This premium drone comes with an 8K camera, a 3-axis gimbal with EIS, a 7.2-inch HD touchscreen remote, 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance, and 3 smart batteries. A 64GB SD card is included. This drone delivers smooth, cinematic footage, and the obstacle avoidance system adds extra safety during flight. Pros: 8K video recording, 3-axis gimbal plus EIS stabilization, large HD touchscreen controller, advanced obstacle avoidance, long flight time with 3 batteries. Cons: expensive compared to other options. Learning curve for beginners. An excellent choice for serious creators who want advanced camera and safety features. Number 3. 4K FPV Drone with large screen remote, 50-minute flight. This drone includes a 4K camera, a large screen remote controller, GPS auto return, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, and an extra 8GB SD card. It offers up to 50 minutes of flight time. A balanced mid-range drone that offers solid performance for its price. GPS features make it suitable for beginners. Pros: 4K camera quality, large screen FPV controller, 50-minute flight time, GPS safety features. Cons: average camera stabilization, basic build quality. A good value-for-money drone for beginners and casual flyers. Number 4. Holystone HS900, 8K photo and 4K video. The Holystone HS900 supports 8K photos, 4K video at 30 frames, a 3-axis gimbal, and up to 20,000 feet of transmission range. It weighs under 249 grams and includes 2 batteries for a total of 60 minutes of flight time. This drone delivers reliable performance and excellent stability. It is well suited for long-range aerial photography. Pros: 3-axis gimbal stabilization, extremely long transmission range, reliable brand reputation, FAA-compliant weight. One of the best long-range drones available in 2026. Number 5. Tolatoyus 4K GPS drone with LCD screen controller. This foldable drone features a 4K camera, GPS auto return, follow me mode, and a 4.5-inch LCD screen controller. It is lightweight and designed for beginners. Easy to fly and portable, this drone is ideal for casual aerial photography and travel use. Pros: built-in LCD screen controller, 4K camera quality, foldable and lightweight design, beginner-friendly GPS features. Cons: shorter range than premium drones, basic camera stabilization. A simple and affordable drone for first-time users. That brings us to the end of today's video on the top 5 best drones of 2026. As you've seen, there are great options available for beginners, hobbyists, and content creators alike. Before choosing a drone, think about what matters most to you: camera quality, flight time, ease of use, or portability. The right drone depends on how and where you plan to fly, so always make sure to follow local rules and fly responsibly. All the drones featured in this video are linked in the description below. Using those links helps support the channel and allows me to keep making honest and up-to-date reviews. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews and buying guides. Let me know in the comments which drone you liked the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.